Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a beginner guide to Node.js. In this video, we will learn what Node.js is, what npm is, how to install the Node.js, how to check the version, and how to create a new project using Vite. Before we get started, let me show you what we are going to build today. This is a simple React project that we're using Vite. When we start the project, we get a local link like localhost, and then we can open the browser and change the code in VS Code and save it, and the browser will update very fast. Now, let's understand what Node.js. Before we talking about Node.js, first we need to understand where JavaScript normally runs. Normally, JavaScript is run inside the browser like Safari, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Here, I open inspect element and go to the console tab. This console allows us to run JavaScript directly inside to the browser. Now I type console.log hello world JavaScript. When I press enter, the browser is run JavaScript code. So this JavaScript is running inside the browser. Now let me show another example. I will use JavaScript to change the page content. When I run this code, you can see the browser page is changed immediately. Now I can also change the background color and text color using JavaScript. This means JavaScript can control the website. It can change text, change design, handle button, validation form, create animation. This is how JavaScript normally works in browser. But Node.js can change this. Node.js allows JavaScript to run outside the browser. That means JavaScript can run directly on our computer using terminal. With Node.js, JavaScript is not only for front-end anymore. We can use JavaScript for back-end API, servers, command line tools, automation, and modern front-end tools like React and Vite. Next, what is npm? npm means Node Package Manager. When we install Node.js, npm is usually installed together with it. For example, if we want to use React with Express, Dependencies, we can install them using npm. Now, let's talk about how to install Node.js. First, open your browser and go to nodejs.org. On the Node.js website, you will actually see two versions, LTS and current. For beginner, I recommend choose the LTS version. LTS means long-term support. It is more stable and better for learning, practice, and real project. The current version is newer, but we do not always need the newest version for learning. So for the course, we choose download LTS. If you are using Mac, download the Mac installer. If you are using Windows, download the Windows installer. After the download is complete, open the installer and follow the step. For me, Node.js is already installed, so I will not install again. In next step, I will check the Node.js version in the terminal. After we install Node.js, we need to check if it works correctly or not. Open your terminal. On Mac, you can use terminal. On Windows, you can use PowerShell, command prompt, or terminal inside VS Code. First, let's check the Node.js version. Type Node.v and press enter. If you see the version number, it means Node.js already installed it. Next, check the npm. Type npm-v and press enter. If you also see the version number, it means npm is installed correctly too. Now we will create our first project. First, we need to choose where we want to store the project on our computer. For this lesson, I will use the desktop. So in terminal, I type cd desktop and press enter. Now I am inside the desktop folder. Next, I will create a new folder for my coding project. I type mkdir coding and press enter. Mkdir is mean make directory or create a new folder. Now I go inside that folder by typing cd coding. cd means change directory. Now we are inside that folder and we are ready to create a new project. Now we will create a new project using Vite. Vite is modern front-end tools. It helps us to create front-end project using very fast. In terminal, I type npm create Vite latest. Now npm will download and run the latest Vite project creator. It will ask for the project name. I type Node.js with demo. Next, it will ask us to select the framework. Choose React. Next, it will ask us to select the version. For beginner, choose JavaScript. Now, it will create the project folder for us. Now, let's start the project. Type npm run dev. This command start with development server. After running this command, you will see a localhost URL. Usually, it looks like this: localhost 5173. Copy the URL and open into your browser. Now, our React project is running successfully. This means Node.js, npm, and Vite are working correctly. Now, let's open project in VS Code. This command we are using to open the current project in VS Code. If this command it doesn't work on your computer, don't worry. You can open VS Code manually. Now we can see all project file inside VS Code. That's all for today. On next video, we will learn about project structure and dependency. See you on next lesson.